Hey, how's it going? Seth Connell, CTO at Nanu Water Tech here. Just going over our 25 gallon a minute install process. First off, thanks for purchasing 25 gallon a minute unit. This is what you should have received, this little 3x3x3 box. And without further ado, let's get started. So first, you're going to want to cut open your label. Boop, there we go. Now we can get into the box. And then once you open it up, you'll have your QR code at the top right there. And that's going to direct you to the detailed installation instructions as well as FAQs and whatnot. And then go ahead and take out your unit and the recycled packaging. Go ahead and just roll that out. And your unit should look a little something like this. It's got MPT threads on both sides and then a slip barb. And first, what you want to do is you want to thread this onto your downspout. And just make sure you always put on Teflon tape on your threads. Just want to keep everything airtight. So once this is screwed on and you're good to connect it to your pump, and here we have a 25 gallon a minute pump rated for 60 psi, but as long as your pump is rated for 20 psi or greater, you should be in good condition. So go ahead and thread that on there. And then once it's all nice and secure, go ahead and you can leave the air bar completely open if you want to pull in ambient air and make air nanobubbles. Otherwise, you're welcome to connect a tubing hose with oxygen or ozone or compressed air if you'd rather, so you can get those specific types of nanobubbles. And once again, thank you so much for your purchase. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. We're happy to address those as they come up. And happy nanobubbling.